going to show you how I did this candy heart look for Valentine's Day. Okay, so let's get started. I did all of my makeup, and so now we just need to do the heart freckles. So we have this little sticker card here. I just got this from Target, and I liked it because there was different sizes so that you can kind of make it a little more interesting. Okay, so we're going to start with this one. I think I'm going to put her here. This is the second biggest one, and we're going to really stick it on there. Like I said, I already have my foundation powder on, so I want to make sure it really sticks so it doesn't come up. I'm someone who likes to mirror everything, so I'm going to do that as best as I possibly can. We're going to do the third smallest one, and we're going to put that right there. Same thing on the other side as much as I can. Then we've got ones that are pretty much the same size, so I might do a couple more on the other side. And then the last one's right there. Here we go. I mean, honestly, this is pretty cute too, but we're gonna do a little bit more. Now you're just gonna take an eyeshadow palette, anything that has reds and pinks in it. So I'm gonna be using the Morphe Jacqueline 2 Volume 2 palette because I think it has the perfect Valentine's Day colors. I'm first gonna take this color right here, Living My Best, and we are going to start putting that on the outer part, and we're gonna work our way in. So just do a little at a time because I don't wanna like put too much to begin with and then it doesn't work. And I'm really gonna focus it on the heart, and then I'll blend out the edges later. And make sure you are doing tapping motions and not swiping, otherwise the sticker will just come off. Next, we're gonna take this color right here, which is called Lolly Mama. And we're gonna place this one on the pink here and blending it in with the red. We're gonna do more blending, but this is what we should be looking like so far. Then we're gonna take the color Tipsy Girl, and we're gonna focus that pretty much on these two right in the center. Again, doing tapping motions with a packing brush and putting that right on the heart. Then I'm gonna take this blush from the Powerpuff Girl collaboration with ColourPop in Fighting Crime, and we're gonna pop that on this tiny little red heart. And I'm just gonna take a really small blending brush and just buff out the edges so that it is seamless before we take the hearts off. I'm gonna take just a little bit of face powder, and that's how I'm gonna blend out the edges around it so that it looks like a seamless blush. Okay, it's a moment of truth. We need to actually peel these hearts off, and I hope it looks okay. Let's do it. All right, I've zoomed you in, so let's grab one. Oh my gosh, it worked. You just never know. Oh gosh, I can't get this one. Okay, one side done. Let's get the others off. Okay, so these are so cute. They came out a lot better than I thought I was. I was very nervous. You could totally stop here if you wanted to. It's perfect just the way it is. You could also just fill it in with white, but I kind of had an idea that I kind of want to fill them in like the candy hearts. They're all like different pastel colors with cute little love sayings. I don't know if I have a steady hand to do like the love things, but let's do like the small little colors. So I have all these bases from Beauty Creations, so I'm going to use these to create the look. Okay, so I have my colors here. I'm going to do yellow, purple, orange, and blue. I'm going to do these off camera because this is going to take too long, and then I'm going to come back and show you the final product. This is so cute. I think that the hearts are too small for me to write on, but I still feel like we'll get the concept and we'll get the vibe, right? So that's how you put little hearts on your face.